Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my sports fan pouch. It's a very simple design really, and to be honest, sports fan wasn't the sweet that jumped to me. We don't have a lot of baseball in the UK, not that I'm aware of anyway, and but I still like to use the products that we have, and I thought that even though the Hey Sports Fan DSP is obviously aimed at sporting people, there is a lot of the DSP in there that actually isn't sporty. So okay, I am using this blue side today, but let me just grab my DSP, because if you have a look at, let me move this bit out of the way. If we have a look at the pages that we have, so this is quite clearly sporting, but the B-side is a wood grain, which is really pretty. Then we have this one, again, clearly sporty. The B-side, red stripes. Again, sporty, but they're not necessarily sporty. I don't think that's particularly sporty, or this one. Yes, we have bats and balls, but the B-side is these gorgeous yellow stars, and then this, I'm not sure if that's sporty or not, because I'm not sure actually what it's meant to be, but again, blue stripes, really fine blue stripes. So the DSP itself is gorgeous, but you know, the B-sides can be used for just as much, and that's what I wanted to show with these. So this is actually a... the design for this I actually got from the lovely Karen Matthews. I'm not sure what her crafting name is. Back, oh my goodness, I can't even remember when it was last year. I want to say June or July, but I honestly can't remember. Might have been later than that. My brain just doesn't recall. I think everybody's brain over the last 2 years has just blurred. But this was a swap that she made using what is now a retired suite. But I loved the simple design, and I loved most of all how the tag on the top is actually held on as part of the closure. So it goes on through both parts of the bag, but it goes through the tab as well. I just think that was really clever and really unique, and so I wanted to incorporate that and use that same design but with current stuff. So thank you, Karen, for a wonderful design that I am now remaking. So yeah, as you can see, I just think it's nice. So it's really easy, 6 by 6 or 15 by 15 centimetres. If you have directional paper, which I have here, you need to score with your pattern running from top to bottom. That would took me a while. And we're simply going to score at 1.5 inches, which is 3.5 centimetres. We're then going to rotate anti-clockwise now so that our DSP is the correct way. And we're going to score at 2 3/4 and 5.5 inches, which is 6.5 and 13. So fold and burnish these sections, and again, with this being paper being 6 by 6, you could get loads. I mean, you get 4 from one sheet of 12 by 12, so that's just perfect. So thin skinny section here we're going to cut away. And then we're going to cut up this section here. Okay, what you then need to do is find the centre of both of these parts. I simply did that by folding over just the corners enough to find the centre point, and then I just used my scissors to cut that up. Okay. Let's add some adhesive to this side here. fold that over, and that creates your pouch opening. And then to create your base, you're simply folding these up into a square. So I'm going to add a strip of adhesive to these two sides, bring in my silicone mat, which is perfect because the adhesive doesn't stick. Let me just, that one, so I want some on this one. Okay, so there, so I want to put that one in, then that one, then that one. You might have to sort of squeeze and manoeuvre slightly, and then if you do get, okay, pop your bone folder in to press that adhesive down, and if you do get, like me, a little bit that overhangs, I don't understand, I need to pop some glue in there, just in that corner where I've not put any adhesive. There we go. Yeah, if you do get any bits that overhang, then just simply give them a trim. Actually, that's worked okay. So once you've done that, I've then got my crocodile here just to punch my holes. Now again, if you want to measure to find the centre, I know I don't normally do this, so this is novel for all of us. 2 3/4, so 1, is that at the centre? My brain's just not in gear at all today. Okay, so I can't now see the mark. Oh, it's there. Right, so I've done that part, and I've also got the gorgeous denim ribbon here. Just fold it in half, and then from back to front, that's the back, you just feed it through, and then I'm just going to leave it at that because I want to make my decoration. So I have a piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and I have this piece of the DSP that I want to adhere onto this lovely card, and then I bring it in my stitched so sweetly dies. So I pull these bits out. So I've used the 2 of the smaller detailed ones here, and then the 3rd in from the largest rectangle there. And then I just want to trim off that excess because I don't need that. And then I just need to trim this as well. And then bring in my lovely little mini stamping, cutting, embossing and all singing, all dancing machine. And then just pop that on, run it through, and then that will then create that really pretty half card, half DSP tag. And while I have my little boss out, I'm going to pop those pieces on because I want a large and a small, and run that through as well. Don't forget that we are still in our wonderful celebration. Fabulous time to get more, if you like, get more for your money, which is always amazing. So you can shop. So if you spend £45 or €60 in one transaction before shipping and handling, you will be entitled to a free item from the Celebration booklet, which is full of gorgeous products. I'm just going to cut in. I used Handsomely Suited for this, and just that little thank you. So yeah, so there's that. If you host a party or have your friends all combine their shopping lists with you, and you spend £275 or more, or €375, you can claim this beautiful stamp, which is Calming Camilla. Really pretty, lots of beautiful images, and I think that's really nice. That's also a side of the other goods that you get for spending that much money. Or of course the other option is to come and join us. I would love to have you join my team. The Stampettes are always looking to expand and are always open-armed to new people, whether you're new to crafting or you've crafted before. There's a bit of something for everybody, and that would just be amazing. Resin Stars, these are also part of the Hey Sports Fan. Yeah, I would love to have you join my team, join in on the fun, and just generally enjoy being with people who like what you like. Crafting can be quite a solitary hobby. So yeah, if you wanted to just get a discount off some of your products, or if you want to do videos like I do, you don't have to, it is entirely your choice, then yeah, contact me, let's have a chat. There's never any obligation, so it's entirely your choice. But yeah, I'd love to have you, so check it out. All the information is on my blog as well, so if you're not sure, have a look on there first. Okay, so now I'm feeding this ribbon through there, and as you can see, it then sits just so nicely on the front, and then I'm going to put the two ends through that loop, and then gently, because I don't want to tear any DSP, gently pull that up till it sits right, and then I'm just going to trim this, and there you have it, my Hey Sports Fan pouches that I just think are delightful. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, Karen, for the inspiration, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.